Welcome this video. Decoration wall with wood is a timeless and versatile way to bring warmth, textile and chaptering into a space. Wood base wall decor can range for rustic and various to sleep and contemplate depend on the type of wood finish and style used. Here are some unique and inspire idea to incorporating wood into wall decoration. Add personally and charm to any room in your home. Wood panel. Wood panel is a classic way to cover wall and add a lush, warm feel to any room. Here are various styles of wood panel: touch and growing baseboard and reclaim wood panel are often a unique aesthetic while happy clean frame house look reclaim would add a rustic touch, make it sustainable and various theme type. Other far allied wood finish of a bright air effect. Dark wood panel create and choosing automatic space, experience with panel, the wood panel is shade that much with your exact decor. Reclaim wood shade. Reclaim wood shade are a great way to convenient for and functional on your wall. That shade are perfect for display, book, or decoration aimed at chaptering and functionally to your space. Earn price of reclaim would add its unique impact, add an aesthetic, eco-friendly touch to your decor type. Useful bring for a modern stainless look. Style with earth tone decor to keep on the natural wood. Wood wall art. Wood wall art can vary from simple price impact cover often a way to incorporating wood without cover long area. This can impact shape, cover palette or natural inspire design such as a level of tree type. Choose wall art that complement the Rome style, modern, rustic, and tranquil. Mix wood wall art with other material like or stone for a multi textile wall display, posing the art at eyes level for the best impact. Wood photo frame and connect. Wood photo frame bring an warm classic feel